The ProView Video Stylet is a sterile, single-use, video-enabled stylet and endotracheal tube intubation system with malleable and directional control intended to assist with oral and nasal intubations. First, remove ProView VS from its packaging. Inflate the cuff and check for leaks. Once satisfied, deflate the cuff. Connect the camera line to the monitor directly or use the amplifier cable if increased length is desired. An image will appear on the monitor from the ProView VS and the camera lights will illuminate. Shape the preloaded malleable rod as needed or remove if increased flexibility is required. Use the ProView VS's video stream on the monitor as a guide for the intubation. The directional ET tube tip allows for controlled flexion and retroflexion, enabling precise placement through the vocal cords and video confirmation of the correct ET tube placement within the trachea. Once the ET tube is correctly positioned, inflate the cuff and carefully remove the video stylet portion. Then attach the ventilation equipment to the ET tube while holding it securely in place. Disconnect the video stylet from the monitor. Completely deflate the ET tube cuff before extubation. After extubation, dispose of all single-use components of the ProView VS intubation system.